Top 3 facts about McLaren P1. Fact number 1. McLaren only built 375 units of the P1, making it a rare and collectible car. Production started in 2013 and ended in 2015. Each car was custom built for its owner. Fact number 2. When new, the McLaren P1 was priced around $1.15 million USD. Today, due to its rarity and performance, its value has increased significantly on the used market. Fact number 3. The car's body is made mostly from carbon fiber, keeping its weight down to just 1,490 kilograms. This helps improve both performance and handling, especially on the track, and subscribe me for another informations about the cars. Top 3 facts about Ferrari Purosangue. Fact number 1. The Purosangue is the first 4-door, 4-seater vehicle in Ferrari's history. It's a big change for a brand known mostly for 2-door sports cars. Fact number 2. Purosangue means thoroughbred in Italian, reflecting Ferrari's racing heritage and pure performance DNA, and the starting price is around $400,000 US, but can go much higher with options. Fact number 3. The rear doors open in a suicide style, rear hinged, giving passengers easier access and enhancing the luxury feel. And subscribe me for another informations about the cars. Top 3 facts about BMW M5 CEs. Fact number 1. The M5 CEs has a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, producing 627 horsepower, 635 PS, and 750 Nm-hours of torque. It's the most powerful production BMW M car ever made at its launch. Fact number 2. The M5 CS was built in limited numbers worldwide, making it a rare collector's edition and highly desirable among BMW M enthusiasts. Fact number 3. Inside, it has 4 carbon bucket seats, Alcantara trim, and a sporty M steering wheel. Tech includes a 12.3-inch display, iDrive 7.0, and Harman Kardon sound, and the BMW M5 CS had a starting price of around $142,000 USD, and subscribe me for another informations about the cars. Top 3 facts about 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Fact number 1. The 1969 Camaro SS Supersport is one of the legendary American muscle cars. It featured a more aggressive and muscular design compared to earlier years, with a wider grille, deeply contoured body panels, and revised taillights. Fact number 2. Though not part of the SS, some 1969 Camaros were built under COPO with 427 cubic inches, 7.0 liters engines, making them drag race monsters, and these are ultra rare and very valuable today. Fact number 3. Today, a well-maintained or fully restored 1969 Camaro SS can fetch $50,000 to $150,000 plus, depending on the engine and originality. Copo and big block versions are even more valuable, and subscribe me for another informations about the cars.